Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your air conditioner with the Honeywell Home thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on your air conditioner and you just moved into a new home. How do you actually go ahead and turn on your air conditioner with the Honeywell Home thermostat? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and do that, so let's go ahead and get started. In order to turn on your air conditioner, all you're going to do is you're going to find the mode button and you're going to click on it until it says cool. So see how it says cool? The number on top is how much it's going to cool your house down, and then the center number is going to be the current temperature of your home. So right now, in order to read this, my home is at 80 degrees and then I want to set it or cool it down to 76 degrees. In order to adjust the cooling, all you're going to do is press the up and plus or minus buttons, and there you have it. In order to turn off your air conditioner, all you're going to do is click on mode again until it says off. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on your air conditioner on the Honeywell Home thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.